Hello, welcome to the channel. I was able to use the homemade adapter from the 35mm Topcor for this 50mm Topcor lens. It was mounted on a Topcon Unirex camera and has its own adapter design. I have a number of other Topcor lenses, and the quality of the Tokyo Kogaku is downright good. This lens is also fine, although I must admit that the widest opening does not really give enough sharpness in the center. 2 stops down, you'll be fine, and there's still plenty of blurriness left for nice bokeh.